few moments later.
Ayan. Magsalita ka, Madam Rysel. Thank you so much. Can you invite them to your house?
Which one?
Yeah, you can introduce yourself to the people. To everyone. Can you introduce Jean Kalang? Jean Kalang.
It's okay, nahihiya ako.
Nahiya ka. Don't be shy, Jean. You can speak Tagalog also, don't worry. You can speak English if you want, if you're comfortable to speak English. Ayan. Glory sa lapin ng pinakagwapa.